Ready to send money quickly and easily across borders. Let's dive into how to send payments using TapTap Send. First, download and open the TapTap Send app on your smartphone, then tap the prominently displayed Send Money button. Next, carefully select the country where you want to send your money from a list of available options. This is crucial for accurate routing and fees. Now, enter the amount of money you wish to send. The app usually converts the amount into the recipient's currency, displaying the real-time exchange rate and fees. Here's where you pick your payment method. TapTap Send offers various options, including debit card, credit card, and bank transfer. It'll vary slightly depending on your location, but selecting one is simple. Choose the one that suits you best. After deciding on your payment method, now it's time for the recipient's details. You will need to either pick a recipient, start fresh by entering their name, phone number, and the payment pickup method they would like mobile money or bank transfer. Review all the details carefully, including the payment amount, transfer amount, fees, and payment methods before confirming the transfer. Verify everything. Once everything looks good, confirm your transaction. Congratulations, your money transfer is on its way. The app will show a confirmation screen and you can track your transfer's status. TapTap Send makes sending money simple, secure, and transparent.